freaking new couch, y'all. A whole new couch. The old couch is gone, and we are in with a new couch. Y'all see, we got a new couch. Looking really, really good. Looking really cute. It came with pillows, y'all. And this couch is so soft, so fluffy. Like, I love this couch, y'all. I fell asleep on it last night by accident. 25 Home is a furniture brand that sells affordable modern pieces with many beautiful designs. They sell furniture items for your bedroom, for your living room. They sell things like sofas, TV stands, accent chairs. Today I have the Aalto Boutique Beige Feathers Sectional. This sectional is filled with high quality foam and feathers. I have the 110-inch facing right in the color beige. It is very soft, comfy, and bouncy. The material of this sofa has wear and stretch resistant fabric. The sofa comes in a modular design. You can add and remove the middle seats as you like to meet different needs. It was also very super easy to assemble. At the bottom of the sofa, there are latches to attach the two pieces of the sofa to hold them together. My favorite part about this sofa is that all cushions and pillows comes with covers that are removable and can be thrown into the washer for cleaning. That is a huge part for me because I could not do that with my last sofa, y'all. I had to deal with the freaking stains. I know that feather sofas are pretty popular nowadays, so if you are looking for one, I would say 25 Home would be the best place to shop. I can vouch that this is one of the best sofas that I've had so far. If you are interested in purchasing, all details will be listed down in the description below.